So my mom eats the color red. So imagine the aura on her face when I told her I'll make red velvet cake for her. She was like, supportive mama and all, but she warned me not to make too much. So I opted for my smallest pan, 4-inch, and here's how that reddish cake came out. Hello darlings, I'm Alex. Welcome back to the Amateur Kitchen. For as long as I can remember, I've always rejected red velvet cakes at parties, celebrations, etc. Why? I don't exactly recall why, but I just know I would rather go safe with vanilla or chocolate. Anyways, I came across this simple recipe and was like, what the hell, let me try it, and if both I and my mom don't still like it, my little brother or our area people might be interested. So here's how my Bento red velvet first time baking went. I whisked my egg, added sugar and whisked again, and I did this for about 5 minutes till my sugar looked completely married with the egg. I added oil and whisked. Oh, once again, I attached my dry ingredients together off camera. My apologies. But in my bluey container, I have flour, red velvet coloring, baking soda, baking powder and salt, and I mixed all this together with my spoon. Then I added this to my egg, sugar and oil mixture. I mixed this gently with my spatula. You can see the red forming, right? Then I added in my buttermilk and mixed it again. Once again, I had to overmix. I added a bit of milk water because the batter was looking a bit thick. Then I mixed again. I added pineapple flavor this time around just because, well, I just wanted to try that. Okay, after mixing, I got my greased pan and added in my red batter. Then, as usual, tap tap tap, and voila, it is ready after a few minutes in the oven. Look at that red baby. It was okay and nice, but I still don't like red velvet cakes. But my mom, brother and neighbors enjoyed it, so our red velvet cake was a success, I guess. Thank you for watching. Do you have a recipe suggestion? Please share it with me in the comments. Please, darlings, like, share and subscribe. Odabo.